Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I show you how to solve the problems related to domains in Shopify. Here are some issues with solution like failure fetching DNS information, error fetching domain record type record. Once your domain provider's DNS setting for example.com and check that the record is set correctly. This notification is the result of either no record being set up, a misconfiguration blocking DNS resolution, or a temporary DNS connection issue. Remember that DNS update can take up to 48 hours to update. So if you have validated your DNS setting at your domain provider already and there is no issue, then this might be resolved when your domain has finished propagating. Then go to the another issue. Domain is using a wildcard record pointing to Shopify. Notification. Your domain has a wildcard record pointing to Shopify. Having a wildcard record, example.com, pointed to Shopify can interfere with your site and is not supported. Open your domain provided DNS setting for example.com and remove the wildcard record. Here are the solution. A wildcard record pointed to Shopify is not recommended. That can cause unexpected behavior. So you record for all specific subdomains instead of using wildcard records. Here you can see different issues and their solutions. If you have another problem, then simply contact to the Shopify Help Center. Provide your problem here and click on Submit. The officials of Shopify can solve your problem as early as possible. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. I see you in the next video. Till then, bye.